Hi everyone, in today's video, I want to show you guys how you can free up space using your recycle bin and clean up more space on your device. As you can see here guys, I have about 107 free space out of 279, and I've been deleting so many things from my device, yet my space is keep accumulating, and that is why this video is for you. In less than 30 seconds guys, you are good to go. Come to your recycle bin here, open it, you have it here. Then you have a lot of files that I've deleted here. So Control A, delete, then hit the yes button and wait a few seconds for this to be deleted on your device. So after deletion, we're going to see the total space that the recycle bin has taken from my device. That has been wiped off. Now let's open the C drive again and let's refresh it. Option, then refresh. You can see that I have about 123 gigabytes remain on my device. So that is just a simple process on how to get more space on your C drive using recycle bin. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.